Alright, so welcome once again. We've done with post-optimality, analysis, duality. We want to look at post-optimality analysis, this time sensitivity. Yes, sensitivity analysis. So sensitivity analysis, as you know, I told you it changes in the BI values. That is the right hand side of the constraint, greater than or equals to 4, greater than or equals to 2. So this one, the changes, for instance, this one, the changes in the labor, the changes in the material, the changes in the storage. So these ones are what we are saying is the sensitivity. If we change the BIs, what happens? What happens? To what extent? To what range does it affect the variables in the basic solution? So that's what the sensitivity analysis is about. Yes. Parameter change and their effect on the linear programming solution. Yes. So that's what I've said. Yes. So that's how it goes, and that's the main motive of this. That's the main motive um, of this particular lecture. We want to do the sensitivity analysis. So we will start, as I told you, it's in two folds. It's in two folds. So we will start with this one is giving me problem.